And so when we're talking about AI workflows, we're talking about connecting an agent to Penpot. It can read the new elements, assets, and tokens in the Penpot file, and it can create new elements and assets and tokens in your Penpot file. And it can work out the context for your design using its training data from around the web or any specific references you provide. And so AI workflows are essentially structured processes we can use in our work that use AI. After all of that, Juan, what problems do AI workflows actually solve for designers and developers?
The main thing is, designers work visually and developers work in code. And a lot of time is spent translating between both worlds. So AI workflows help to reduce that gap, right? So they are really useful for automating repetitive tasks, design tasks, and also transform design to code to design, and also extracting structure and meaning from design files, which is really important and is key. Penpot allow you to go very deep in the design data that the Penpot file has, and also generating code or documentation from design data.